Hi, so in today's lesson, we are going to work on solving linear equations in one variable using two methods, elimination method and transposition method. So let's have a look at the elimination first. So this is an equation in front of you. So I want you to remember these two things. One is, the first one is BODMAS. You all remember BODMAS, right? BODMAS or PEMDAS as we say it. To solve an expression, to evaluate an expression, you always follow BODMAS, that you solve for bracket, any exponents, and then you go with division, multiplication, and at last addition, subtraction. Now, what happens when you are calculating the value of x? Then you always have to follow the opposite of BODMAS. It means that you will begin with solving for subtraction, addition first, then you'll move to multiplication and division and the bracket at the end. So let's begin. So first you can see that we have a subtraction of 3 like minus 3 here, right? So we will remove this first. Our aim is to keep x alone here completely and remove the minus 3 from here. Now, since we are doing elimination method, so what do? We remove or we eliminate the number 3. To remove this number, what we will do? Remember the inverse operation. Now, what is the inverse operation of minus? It is plus. So, what do? We add a 3 to it. You know that minus 3 plus 3 will become 0, right? So, they cancel out. But remember that in math, everything is balanced. So whatever you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side also, right? So here we will get 4x, 3 and 3 will get cancelled because they both are having opposite signs, opposite operation. 9 plus 3 will give you 12. Okay, now which number do we need to remove? Again, the aim is to keep x all alone by itself. So we will remove number 4. To remove it, we will divide both sides by 4 because 4 and 4 will get cancelled, you'll get 1. 1 times any number will give you the same number. And here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and x is equal to 3 is our answer. All right. Now let's move to the transposition method. So now let's see what happens in transposition method. Let's take the same question. Our aim is to keep x there. Remember the BODMAS and inverse operation. Okay. So in transposition, we transpose the numbers on the other side of equal to sign. So again, same thing. We will first remove minus 3 from here. So we will transpose it on the other side and we'll keep this term here itself for the time being. So 4x here equal to sign 9 here. Let's move negative 3 on the other side. Again, follow inverse operations. Inverse of plus minus 3 is plus 3. Okay, so now we'll write 4x as it is. 9 plus 3 will give you 12. Okay, now we have to remove 4. Now the operation between 4 and x is multiplication. Okay, now again we have to transpose x on the other side. So to transpose this 4 on the other side, what we will do? We will again do the inverse operation. So inverse of multiplication is division. So 4 will become the divisor here and you will divide 12 and 4 and you'll get 3. And that's the answer. Hope it was helpful. Keep learning.